Good morning, my fellow traders. Jobin Sabani back again. It is now 9:09, just before the market opens. I'm about to place a few trades in Aspen, Coronation, Momentum, MTN, Remgro, Sappi, and Kumba. Just waiting for the bell there to ring at the JSE. It's gonna ring any moment now. Just a quick reminder again, it's Aspen 2.4 shares. Coronation 24.3, Momentum 20, MTN 9.3, Remgro 12.4, Sappi 12.2, and Kumba 0.5. So the market is open on Aspen, gapping down at the open today, giving me a slightly better price of entry. Flip. Just reopen it there. My broker platform just crashed. There you go. Some of the alerts only kicking off now. So I'm buying 2.4 shares on Aspen with a stop loss there of 158.85, and that should be a buy. Just waiting to be filled. There you go, we got filled there. Next is Coronation. Order window. Stop loss is at 47.17, and I'm getting 24.3. Just waiting to be filled there. Order confirmed. Next is Momentum Metro. With a nice strong gap higher. On Momentum, I'm buying 28, not 250, 20 rather, with a stop loss at 1840. Wait for the confirmation. We got filled. Next is MTN. MTN gapping back into the range. Nonetheless, already made the order of 9.3 with a stop loss of 99.10. And that's a buy. It filled. And Remgro. Remgro. Let's see how Remgro opened. Also moving back into the range, but already made the order, just providing me with a slightly better price. 12.4 with a stop loss of 11.5. Place the order. Just waiting to be filled there. So we're good. So my risk is slightly lower there on Sappi. Sappi, I'm getting 15.2 with a stop loss of 39 Rand 28. And last but not least, Kumba. That's what I want. Kumba. Kumba gapping strongly higher at the open. 0.5 with a stop loss of 633.16. Waiting to be filled there. Good, we're in business. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm gonna go through my open positions just to first I need to update the trading channel with the fills. Let me just sort by open time. So Kumba, where's Kumba? There. My new fill was 701.82. I got filled at 701.82 and only got myself half a share. So my new average price is 671.87. I now hold 1.9 shares with a stop loss of 633.16. Now risk on the trade is now a little over 1%, 1.11%. Sappi, SAP. I don't believe I did have a Sappi position. There you go. That's my first entry, so that's a new entry. So that's JSE SAP. 13 July. Well, it's my son's birthday today. That's turning 4 years, my young king. 69, quantity of 15.2 with a stop loss of 39.28. Sorry, I'm just doing this off screen. My risk is exactly 1%. Next is Remgro. I also didn't have a position in Remgro. So it's JC REM. Also 13 July. Aboard. We got filled at 115.96. 12.4 shares with a stop loss of 111.25. So risk is a little under 1% at 0.88%. MTN, I did add to the position. Let me just quickly find MTN. There you go. I got filled at 105.69. 105.69. Bought 9.3 shares So my new average entry is now 108.24, and I have 70.7 shares with a stop loss at 99.10. Whoa. Average interest 117.45. Whoa. Something is not. Okay, let me just undo all of this. Something is not right. Yeah, let's try again. Get filled at 105.69 for 9.3. My new average entry is 96. That sounds much better. 96.27. For a second there, I thought I had a much bigger position than I should have. So my risk on this trade is now plus 3%. So that's awesome. We'll have a look at this in just a bit. Momentum, I don't believe I had a position on momentum, so that's a new one. JC NTM, momentum metropolitan 30. Got filled at 20 rand 3 cents. 3 for 20 shares. With a stop loss of 18.4. Since it would seem I took half the risk. That's quite interesting. It seems I took half the risk. Let me just add quickly the other half. But it's fine. I will add it when I get a close above 20.41. I'll add 1.5%, I suppose. In fact, let me just quickly do the math. So my risk is 32 rand 60. 32. I think I had 32 rand 60 with the entry at 20 rand 03. Stop loss of 18.4. I must get myself another 20 shares. At the same 18.4 stop. There you go, I got filled. Let me just quickly calculate that average in the channel. That was an error I made when calculating my position. It was supposed to be 40 shares instead of 20. So I got filled this time at 20.04 for 20 shares. That means my now average entry is 20.04, 40 shares. Now risk is back at 0.99%. That looks good. And Coronation. Coronation, I didn't have a position in Coronation, so that's a new trade. So JSE CML. I got filled at 49 Rand, 83 cents. 83 cents, 24, with a stop loss of 47.17. And last entry was on Aspen. The last one was on Aspen. How is Aspen? APN. There you go. So that last position I got filled at 171.28. 2.4. Now my average enterprise moves to 165.58. 9.4 with a stop loss of 158.85, with the risk sitting at 0.95. So that's it. Let me change this one rather to week. Let's just have a quick gander at the journal. Yeah, these are the entries for today. Is MTN added 105.69, added 9.3 shares. My new average price is 96.27 with a with 70 shares. And similarly on Aspen, my new average price is 165. 9. Now the shares are 9.4 with a stop loss there. Pretty much, if you look at the risk, we're still pretty in good shape. A lot of stocks haven't crossed that profitability mark yet, but yeah, we're still looking pretty good. Portfolio up 58%. Should every stop be hit, so yeah, still in pretty good shape. The overall portfolio, not that I pay attention to this part of the equation, is up 145%. On at the mark from a mark to market sort of tracking. So yeah, that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit the bell notification button so that you don't miss any of these videos. Do pop some questions in the comment section down below, or do drop me an email, jabula@villagetrader.co.za, if you have any questions. Also do let me know what you're buying, what you think of my positions. We'll chat again tomorrow. Don't forget tomorrow. Do join Simon Brown and myself for the Trader series. We're doing a live webinar on Zoom. The link to that will be in the link in the description below. Otherwise, take care, stay safe. It's cold out there. There's a lot of bad stuff happening. Hope you guys are safe. Otherwise, take care, stay warm, stay clean, etc. Chat you again tomorrow. Cheers.